Welcome to DIY Tech. tplinkrepeater.net login. Open your computer or laptop. Connect your computer or laptop to a TP-Link router's network. Open an internet browser of your choice. In the address bar, input the address tplinkrepeater.net. tplinkrepeater.net login page appears. You will then be asked to input a password for the login of your admin panel. The next step is to search the SSID of your existing Wi-Fi network. The SSID is simply the name of your Wi-Fi. You will then be asked to input the password of the Wi-Fi you want to extend. This will connect the extender. Thanks for watching.